Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you how to enable BRIM in Creality print. So yeah, let's get straight into it. Now first we will select our model. Then we will look at the right hand settings panel where you print profiles, and we will select from here, as you can see, these small icons, others, just like so. And right here we have BRIM type. So this is what we need, and what we are going to do is we can fine tune. So we can, if it's option, we can bring width, we can adjust that. It's good to be set between 4 millimeters to 8 millimeters. Then we have BRIM object gap. This is the distance between the model and the BRIM. A gap of 0.1 to 0.2 makes the BRIM incredibly easy to peel off after printing, but the gap of 0.0 millimeters provide the strongest possible bed adhesion. So also what we can do is, I didn't show you here, so BRIM type, we have auto. If you want the slicer to decide based on the model's footprint, so you can leave it like that. But if you are and know what you want, then you can change here from mouse ear. You will then uh, adjust also BRIM ear max angle. Then we have painted. We don't have bunch of options here. Outer BRIM also the same, inner the same, and then also we have outer and inner BRIM and no BRIM. So I will leave it on auto, but if you are more advanced, you can use here mouser ear. I think this one is pretty cool to use. And yeah, this is basically it. I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.